Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Lisk. On a weekly time frame chart, Lisk has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern in the month of October 2023 and rallied very well. It went very close to this long-term resistance of $2.50, but could not read this resistance. In fact, it is rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.60. You can see we had a long spike up to $2.36. But if you watch the closing price of this candlestick, by the way, you can watch the closing price here, then it was closed at $1.15. So the price line could not close above this resistance, and you can see that still it is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of $1.60 that has been previously working as a support here, and now for the past several weeks or months, it is working as a resistance. The next major support will be here at $1 that was previously breaking as a resistance and now it can break as a support. In fact, after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, when we broke out this $1 resistance, the price and retested this resistance as a support. Therefore, again, if the price end moves more down, then again it can work as a strong support for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for a list that I shared almost 10 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 43% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Lisk that I shared on 28th of January 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line again dropped down and entered the buying zone once again here. And then we had a very nice reversal. And so far it has rallied more than 43%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal crab move, not a crab move, a butterfly move that was completed, getting completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And I shared this idea on 4th of January 2024 in the previous month. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg into the buying zone. And then we had a nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 15% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you back to this live weekly time frame chart, and you can see that after a quite long time here, the price line has finally broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. By the way, before breaking out this wedge, it tested a quite long-term and firm support of 6.75 cents that had been previously breaking as a support here back in the month of October 2019, and here it also worked as a support in the month of March 2020. And again, from the month of November 2022 up till here, up till the month of September 2022, it has been breaking as a very firm support. And this support was the reason that the price line was not again dropping down at the support of the wedge. And finally, we broke out this resistance of the wedge. And this was almost 255% rally, you can see. And now the price line is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of $1.60. In case of breaking it out, an imminent move can be possible up to the next major resistance of $2.50. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.